Wait. Fold the phone. We have the Samsung Galaxy Fold and we're about to unbox it. So we're about to take the Samsung Galaxy Fold out 5 months shy of when it was supposed to originally launch. And that is good news because it is reinforced and we're gonna slowly unbox it, tip it this way. There it is, get rid of that. And take out this white inner box. Boom. There it is. And then we have this little tab here. And there we have the unfolded Samsung Galaxy Fold with a lot of care instructions. Samsung Galaxy Fold was very troubled. It had a lot of issues breaking in reviewers' hands. And then Samsung took it away. So it's back now 5 months later and we get to see what's inside and take out this beautiful piece of hardware. Our first true foldable phone that's out there, and it's launched before the Huawei phone. We have, throw this to the side, put that in later. So putting the phone aside, we have little footprint for the phone and this special letter saying that we are invited basically to check out some revolutionary fold action. It's a new era according to Samsung. And then Samsung has this new concierge service that they're pushing. It lasts for the lifetime of the Fold. You can ask questions. There's a 24-hour hotline. That's kind of neat. There's a standard 1-year warranty, screen replacement offer going on. So that's good. That's kind of reassuring. They're trying to tell you, hey, this thing breaks, we gotcha. And then there's some special accessories, and that's what makes this unboxing really great. It comes with a pair of earbuds, and for about $2,000 for a phone, yeah, I'm okay with that. Standard charger here, a fast charger, so that's kind of nice. And then we're taking out, see what's inside of here. Okay, we got the USB-C cable, and also for your earbuds, the ability to swap out little cups on there, so that's pretty good. Then we have a little transfer device, so if you're transferring from another device, you can do it manually. We'll see what's inside of here. Open that up. Ah, the special Kevlar case. So we have the AT&T version of this phone, as you can see. So that's pretty important to note. This is a case right here. It's kind of a very unique case, very different. It fits on either half of the phone, and then you get the one with the front screen on there, and then the camera, the rear camera's on here, and it folds around. So it's in 2 different pieces, which is interesting. And then it has some adhesive on there that should be optional. We're told it's optional to have it on there. So very messy right here, but exciting because what shouldn't be messy is this foldable phone. Should fold up quite neatly, and we're gonna take off the plastic bits that we are allowed to take off. Satisfying plastic unwrapping. And there it is, the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So there we are, and we're gonna boot this bad boy up. Let's see, hold that button, there we go. There is the Fold, kind of like that. There we are. Powered by Android, and let's see if oh, it's painful. Oh, it does it perfectly. It's just painful to feel like you're folding a phone for the first time, but it's so satisfying. We're like, oh, this actually works, and it actually unfolds pretty easily. Now, there is a crease in there, but I mean, you're not gonna really pay attention to it after a while. It's kind of like, I feel like the notch when we've used this before. The notch kind of disappears after a while when you're watching a video. Well, this stuff kind of disappears when you're kind of staring at the screen and staring at a game or a movie the entire time. So the front-facing screen is a little small. We have noted that in our review, but yeah, it definitely folds out into basically a mini tablet. So we'll check back. We'll have more on the Samsung Galaxy Fold in a full review, but for now, this is just the unboxing, and I think I'm gonna try out these Samsung Galaxy Buds and pair them with the new Fold. So we'll see you later.